Hello, hello! We are getting right into it today, starting with our MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage to prime the face for foundation. I'm going to spread an even layer all across my face and let it dry before I go in with any other products. And now I'm going to take my Professional Primer and go ahead and apply this to any areas of my face where I feel like my my pores look a little larger than they should be. So that's on my cheeks, on my nose, chin, and right in between my eyebrows. And of course I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and I'm going to work in sections on my face to apply this. And since it is summertime and I get a little bit more oily and sweaty than usual, this is perfect because it's super mattifying and lasts all day. And for brows, I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil in the shade Universal Taupe. And this pencil is great for everyone because no matter what shade your brows are, say you have blonde brows, you can go in with a lighter hand, or if you have dark brows, you can go in with a bit of a heavier hand to achieve the color that you would like for your brows. We just want to create our shape first and then fill them in, and of course use this spoolie to blend everything out to make them look a little bit more natural. The amazing Brian making an appearance today. Now we're going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. And you've seen me do this before, so we just take our ring finger and apply it all over the lid in a nice even layer. And then we'll set it with our IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder so that we have a nice smooth eye base to get our eyeshadow applied to. And now taking the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, I'm going to go into the color Silk Cream and apply this into my crease with a blending brush. And this palette is perfect for almost every single look. It's got a lot of neutrals and colors in there, so that's why you see me reaching for this palette often. And today I went for a more tropical vibe kind of feel, and it's got those neutral colors plus the bright ones. And to deepen my crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Pukey and apply this with a smaller, denser brush to do that work in the crease. And if you ever have trouble finding your crease, it's essentially the hollow part of your eye between your brow bone and your eyeball. And now I'm going to pick up a deep warm brown. This is the shade Mocha, and I'm going to apply this with a flat shader brush to the outer third of my eyelid. And now that we have all three of those shades on the lid, I'm just going to take the blending brush that I used initially and blend all three of those together. And for the highlight shade, I am taking the shade In Light from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to use my ring finger to apply that to the inner third of my eyelid and also the inner corner. And now for the fun part, I went to the bottom of this palette and picked up the shade Jada, and I took a pencil brush to apply this to my lower lash line. And at first when I was applying this with the pencil brush, it was kind of diffusing the color a lot more than I wanted it to, so I ended up picking up a smaller pencil brush that's a little bit more dense, and I pressed that onto the lower lash line just to get a brighter color payoff. Now I'm taking a liquid eyeliner and I'm going to apply this to my upper lash line, and I'm going to keep it really thin for this look. And once I've got a nice solid line all the way across my lash line, I'm going to start creating the wing. So I first draw this line out from the corner, the very corner of my eye, and take it up as far as I would like it, and then I just connect it back to the line that I already created. And when building up the wing, I like to work on the bottom of it so that I can maintain that thin line I created across my lash line and then just make the wing a little bit bolder. And now I'm going in with this mascara by Milk Makeup, and today I'm not using any false lashes because I went with that bold color on my lower lash line. I wanted to keep it a little bit more simple, so I'm just really taking my time and building up the volume on my lashes. And you may notice that I don't rotate the wand at all when I'm applying this product, and that's because this mascara is new. So when I pull it out of the bottle, there's a lot of product on it, and to avoid getting clumpy, I just use that one side of the brush, and this helps me not get any clumps. And taking my favorite concealer, this is the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes and blend it out with a foundation brush. And of course, after that's done, we want to set it. So I'm taking my pressed powder, I'm going to set underneath my eyes, and then go ahead and set the rest of my face. Now going in with MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Medium Tan, I'm going to use this as my bronzer and apply it to the hollows of my cheeks, up my temples a little bit, and onto the forehead and below the jawline. And I use a lot of the same products in my videos, but that's because they are tried and true and trusted, so I don't really feel the need to switch them out just yet. And after applying a natural shade of lip liner, I went in with the Too Faced Melted Latex High Shine Liquid Lipstick and applied this all over my lips for a really pretty, kind of nude, shiny lip. When I first used this lipstick, I didn't really like it, but it definitely helps to have a lip liner or lipstick underneath. And of course, we're going to apply a highlighter to the high points of the face, so tops of the cheekbones, tip of the nose, and right on the cupid's bow. And I like to layer my highlighter so that I don't come off too beaming right away. I really like a subtle highlight, so I don't apply too much on the first swipe, and then I build it up as I go to get the desired color. And that is going to finish off this look, you guys. I really hope you love it. So to me, this felt like a really tropical vibe, and I wanted to post this video since it's summer and it's perfect for a day out or a night out, whatever you want to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw. And if you want me to do anything else, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get to it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!